I'm joined by Mohammed Jilani, Managing Director of Multinet. Mohammed, thank you very much for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit more about Multinet, what it is you do, and the products you're launching here at GITEX?
Multinet Communications, we are based in Sharjah Airport Free Zone, UAE. We are a distributor and supplier of products for the telecommunication industry. All types of fiber optic cables, structured cabling, telecommunication cables, etc. With the cabinets, whatever is required in this particular segment. Other than that, we have a very strong employee base. They are all quite well experienced people from the industry. Most of them are certified by BICSI organization, which is Building Industry Consulting Services, and this is a organization who recognizes the qualified people from the cabling industry. And it is, once we are certified, then we try to sell our solutions based on the industry standards. So the clients can get products which are as per the safety and best performing standards in the industry. We have a warehouse which is based in Sharjah Airport Free Zone, through which we distribute the products for our customers here in the region. We are based in UAE primarily, but other than that, we are expanding in Saudi because we see a lot of potential there in that region. Because more projects are happening at the moment, and we want to be there. So, and there is a demand there for people for having local stocks in that country. So for that reason, we need to be based over there. In addition to Saudi, the other GCC countries which are more important for us are Qatar and Kuwait and Oman as well, because there are a couple of big projects which are coming over there. What we do is in these regions is that we partner with some of the top IT companies there who have a lot of strengths there. So through them we work and supply the products and things like that.
So it's very important to foster local relationships within these countries.
It's very important because these companies, they have a lot of strength there. They also have we take care of the passive system, which is the cabling item, but they take the whole project as a package, and they have the strength to implement and execute with them. So we partner with them. We are there in the projects right from the beginning, so that we support them throughout the project in terms of the infrastructure cabling requirements.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your vendors in the regions?
We are tied up with some of the industry leaders. If you look at us, if you see, we have a big name which is Corning Cable System. It is a Fortune 500 company, and they are the number one in terms of fiber. In fact, they also make the glass fiber, which is all the other people use in fiber cables. So they have a complete range of products for the data center, structured cabling, for backbone cabling, outside plant cables, all hardware accessories and everything. And they're quite strong in this particular area. So we partner with them. And plus, other than that, we have APW Italy, Europe, who are, if you see a few years back, APW was the leader in terms of cabinet industry. And today, in terms when data centers are coming, the types of cabinets have come. It's just not just like a box. The things have changed now. You need things like perforated doors for air cooling and high specification. So in this way, APW Europe, they have a lot of experience. So they carry the range which can meet today's requirement for data centers. The third product we have is Hubble, who is a complete structured cabling system. They are from US, and they are also quite experienced in this range. So we distribute them as well. So
your product, which customers? I mean, which companies are most proactive with purchasing your product? I mean, where does the demand lie? Which sectors does the demand lie?
The most of the projects that we work or where the customers are really proactive are the government bodies. We see this is a huge requirement. Today you see, earlier it was just a very little bandwidth could meet the requirements. Today people have IPTV at home, video on demand, so they all need huge bandwidth coming home for these applications. So we have big telecom companies like Etisalat, Ju, QTEL, Saudi Telecom, all these people, and other than that, in corporates we have from banking industry, because they need a lot of high range products. Plus we have all these real estate companies coming out for their data centers and things like that.
Okay, Mohammed, with regards to your business in particular, what strategies or practices work best for your business?
For us, the most important thing is that we try to provide best customer service and also a timely response. We try to maintain our existing customers by terms of reliability, sustainability, and offering them competitive pricing. If you look at it in our type of business, even after you execute the project, there is always a requirement for new and variation orders and things like that. There is always moves, adds and changes which the customer requires. So all throughout the whole project and also in the period, we try to maintain our customer that they are quite satisfied, and they get whatever is they require. We try to meet their requirements as per their
specific needs. Yeah. So you stand by your work from start to finish. Are you guys involved from the very beginning right through to the very end?
We are what we do. Other strength that we have is that whenever we come to know or aware about a project, we try to meet the customer and understand what is their needs and real requirement, and then we try to be there right from the beginning till the execution of the project. So, and even after that, we try to follow up with them and just see and if they are got what they have.
So customer feedback and customer satisfaction is very important.
Absolutely.